Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check laptop specifications in Windows laptops. So it is very simple. In newer versions, there is an icon in your desktop. It's called this PC. Okay. In older versions, it is called My Computer. So right click on this PC or My Computer, then select Properties. You can see here, and you can also press Alt, press Enter to enter the shortcut for after selecting this PC. So you will, after selecting properties, you can get this page. It is called system about page, and here you can see the details about your systems like storage, uh, how much storage, not the storage type, it is only show storage, and graphics card memory, and installed RAM, and also processor. So here you can see there is, my computer is Dell Precision 7740, so it's have multiple GPUs and also 32 gigabyte of RAM, and my processor is Exxon processor, Intel Exxon processor, 2.4 gigahertz. So this is my system specifications. So in this way you can easily identify what is your system specifications in Windows OS. That means these specifications is available on Windows desktop and Windows laptop and Windows all kind of tabs which is running on Windows OS. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.